Banana porridge is a traditional Jamaican delicacy that many Jamaicans and apparently anyone else who's tasted it loves. Today we're doing something different and inviting you to gather these ingredients, then join me and my Kenyan friend Trudy in the kitchen as we do some cultural exchange.
These are my favorite kind of bananas, you know?
The tiny ones?
Yeah. You don't like them? But the big ones are almost not as sweet as these ones.
Let me get a cutting board. Yeah, so... But you know what? There's plantain porridge. We also have banana porridge. So
they taste almost similar, right?
Yeah. Similar. It's funny, I've never made this in Zimbabwe for myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
because it's hard.
You always remember me.
Just you.
You'd be like the time I took it. You see, you've never made it and you've been living here for years.
Yeah, because they usually sell in the supermarkets. They only sell ripe bananas. You won't find green bananas so easily. Unless you have a banana tree in your yard. So, we're just gonna... But in the meantime, I can put the water on the stove.
Can you go?
Oh, sure. See, you get your hands dirty. What porridges do you guys eat in Kenya?
What porridges? What is it called? I'm trying to remember something. One that has sorghum. I forget the name. You know,
like sour porridge here.
Yeah. You guys take sour porridge too?
My dad loves it.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys take that?
Yeah, as we eat it, it's nice.
See, you guys and us are similar. Yeah, that makes sense.
You might as well join forces. Become one country, Kenya and Zimbabwe.
I think so. Only that we don't share borders.
Oh, so it would be difficult.
Do you know there's some shonas in Kenya?
Yeah. And they're doing citizenship.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Wow,
So the family.
on what basis?
They'd stayed there for like long enough,
time.
yeah. Apparently they left Zim. There were more stories who left Zim sometime back.
So you'll notice something that it becomes very like...
Do you know how to remove this on your hands?
Yeah, we
when you're
use
done?
oil.
Oil?
Okay. Or you can just use soap and water, but we use oil first. Or some people actually oil their hands first. So you choose the finest part of the grater so that it comes out smooth, like here. But let me try this part. Yeah, that's too rough. So I have to use this side. No, I won't. I'm a pro. So it comes out pretty much as if you're blending. Babe, have I ever made this for you?
No.
Welcome. You should thank me. It's really nice. So did you not take it when you were in Jamaica?
No. I've never had this porridge.
Get ready.
Which
Get
porridge
ready
do you?
to take the best porridge of your entire life.
Is there peanut butter?
No. This thing of Zimbabweans putting peanut, them put peanut butter in it.
Apparently, guys, this is something I've learned here. We put peanut butter in bread in Kenya, but in Zimbabwe they put peanut butter in porridge.
I even put peanut butter in my cerevita. If there's no peanut butter, for who?
Well, yeah.
I need to give it a try because I've never seen that before.
Oh, peanut butter is the best. Peanut butter was made for porridge.
Really?
Yeah, all this thing of putting peanut butter on bread. I actually don't like peanut. Have you ever seen me eating a peanut butter sandwich?
Peanut butter is made for porridge.
Yeah, I don't eat peanut butter sandwiches. I only eat it in porridge or with rice.
Zimbabweans don't eat green banana.
They don't?
They don't. And you were telling me the other day that you eat green banana in Kenya.
Yeah, we do. We boil them and then we fry them.
Oh, you always fry after you boil?
Some people can take them boiled with stew.
In Jamaica, we boil the banana and then we boil the dumpling and probably the yam as well with meat. They find it strange.
Oh, really? As we eat it. They can make it in different ways.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
man.
we can cut it into small pieces. Like you see this like 4 times or 3 times. And then we fry it with potato. So good. Do you do that in Jamaica?
You just boil them or put them in a soup. But at least you eat them.
Yeah, we do.
These guys look at us strange, like, huh, you eat green
So they
banana?
wait for it to get ripe before they eat it.
Yep. Yep.
Well, we've got lots of bananas in Kenya, some regions of Kenya, and Uganda. So I think people just got creative.
With it, right? Yeah. Baby always make me look strange. You eat green banana? I'm not that strange. We're not that strange. Actually, if you're watching and you come from any other African country, please tell us if you also eat green banana and how you prepare it.
And also, let us know, after you peel green bananas, how do you get the stickiness off your hands?
Smells so good. Can you feel that? Yeah. I'm used to it.
But I'm not.
So we get to add cinnamon. It's not open. Where are the scissors? Add a little. That's enough. So these are nutmegs. This one's in a shell, I think. So they come in a shell. So usually we.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And then you take it out of the shell. So this is an actual nutmeg.
I've seen nutmeg powder, I haven't seen this.
Yeah, so then the powder is great. Just using this way. And it smells. Did you finish the ones you had? Then we add some vanilla. That's enough.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, you took my thing out. Thank you.
Oh, this is the clothes.
This aroma is just taking me right back to Jamaica. Because Jamaican food shots are the maddest thing. I saw Jamaican rice.
But I
What were you
really,
saying? You said you doubt the porridge.
I really doubt it, yes.
You know what's funny? I'm not
I feel like this should be enough for you. and him, and then I take all the rest to myself. Like, you don't understand.
And you're the guest.
I can finish.
Actually,
I can
dishes.
finish everything.
Is there like a bigger spoon?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
This one? So dishes once. Then try it. Try it on camera and tell them.
Of course, yeah. Oh my god.
Hey,
Be honest, you know. Because we already took
guys, that's a lot of porridge, Trudy. Whose plate
You
is
wait
that?
till you taste it.
That's her
I think it's a
plate.
lot until you taste it.
That's her plate. But
Okay. I think I'm just going to have 2 scoops.
You're going to do what?
I'm going to have 2 scoops.
so this is not yours. This is mine.
Yeah.
So make yours very little.
If I like it, I can always get more.
Yeah, I'll put a little.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's enough for you.
Really?
Yeah.
They didn't have that.
I don't know if you guys can see me salivating as I serve this thing. I can't wait.
Yeah. You see? It's finished.
So
Oh my gosh. Can't wait.
it wasn't even rehearsed. Like that was legit.
There's nothing as,
Like,
as painful
can't
as hot
do it.
porridge biting you.
I'm to be hit by the banana flavor.
And then you know what I love most about this? I feel like because you created it, it still has some. Should I call it fiber or what do I call it?
Oh, like yeah, like texture.
But it's not,
'cause
it's still
not
smooth, but it has it. So it's like that's my kind of thing. Like I just love it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is one more banana, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Or more flavorful banana.
We're gonna make more where we're going.
Oh. But we pick our next bunch.
I don't understand.
Right, so we can make more. But what's going to happen is I'll take you to pick the bananas this time.
That'll be awesome. How is it?
It's nice. I would have been better with peanut butter.
You're so disrespectful.
Disrespectful to what?
I've never met anyone who puts peanut butter in porridge. We're used to putting peanut butter in bread.
Welcome to Zimbabwe, baby.
Wow.
We always put
Peanut butter.
But I feel like the peanut butter spoils the flavor.
Yeah, the flavor.
All your
It's
porridge is gonna
gonna
taste
taste
like
like
peanut
peanut
butter.
butter.
Exactly.
no.
It enhances.
All peanut butter does is peanut butter was made to enhance the taste of porridge. So
But it makes the porridge taste like peanut butter.
no, it makes the porridge taste like a blend.
I don't get it.
Guys, what do you think? Do you do that too?
But I'm happy there's no peanut butter for you to put in.
So you get the original taste from Jamaica.
Let's
So
eat.
cool.
Huh?
It slaps.
It slaps.
My dad usually says how to know a meal is sweet is when it's quiet.
Yeah.
Because it's so good, people don't even have time to talk.
I think I actually kind of like resonate with Trudy's dad. I see him on the camera sometimes and it's like he doesn't really want to be there. And I'm like that. I'm like, that's me.
Right, Tiggs.
Hi.
How's the porridge, Trudy?
So good. It's so good.
Guys, we have to get going. So, let us finish our breakfast. And we'll see you when we've arrived. Say bye, Tiggs. Say bye.
Bye.
Wave. Bye. If you enjoyed our cooking content and would like to see me making more Jamaican food or even Zimbabwean food, comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.